Join the resistance.
June 13th, 2019, I videotaped several different awesome shape-shifting UFOs. What I didn't know is that I also recorded some EVPs, or electronic voice phenomena, at the same time. The formation to the right gives you an idea of the individual stages of the shape-shifting motion as I paused and screenshotted the UFO at different intervals. Before we get too deep off into figuring out the origin of these possibly alive antimatter UFOs, let's take a second and listen to the EVPs that came with them. It gets even weirder. August 10th, 2014, scientists discover marine plankton and other microbes growing on the surface of the International Space Station, proving that it is possible for life to exist in the vacuum of outer space. June 8th, 2016, renowned American scientist Ruggero Santilli reports that he has discovered what he thinks are antimatter organisms living all around us. Using the refraction telescope, which he himself invented, he has videotaped these entities virtually everywhere he points the thing. Santilli's refraction telescope picks up the negative or mirror image of the visible light spectrum, giving us a glimpse into the antimatter light spectrum, which is normally invisible to the naked eye. The physical properties of antimatter are equal, but the exact opposite of those of regular matter, meaning that light in the antimatter spectrum bounces in the exact opposite direction from visible light. All Santilli really did was add an extra mirror to the reflection telescope, and voila, he invented the refraction telescope. Paranormal researchers have been using infrared to photograph spirits and demons for decades. A lot of times you can't see that spirit standing right behind you while it's behind you, but with just one click from your digital camera, it will pick it up to scare the crap out of you later. Before Santilli's refraction telescope, the only way that we could see antimatter in the visible light spectrum was from the light energy and kinetic energy produced from the reaction between antimatter and regular matter. The problem is that this would give you a false representation of what an antimatter creature would truly look like. To us, it could look like a dark silhouette or shadow person, or glowing orb, or even some sort of shape-shifting blob, which is a textbook description of many supernatural phenomena. Has Santilli discovered the origin of what we humans have called spirits and demons and gods for thousands of years, misrepresenting something that occurs in nature all around us as something supernatural? The obvious answer would be yes, but God doesn't work like that. God seems to love complexity, as the nature that God created is complex. Though this could be part of the explanation, none of this takes away from the idea that there is one true creator God, which I firmly believe. As far as that goes, how do we know that these bodies we see floating in our sky, glowing like they are huge and magnanimous, aren't the representation of the interaction between regular matter in our universe and the antimatter somewhere else? Theoretically, these planets and moons and suns could all be different life stages of huge homeostatic antimatter organisms. I will leave you that to ponder for now. As my research is an ongoing endeavor, I am truly interested to hear what you guys have to say. Please comment below and tell me what you think this all means. Until next time, remember to stay vigilant, keep your eyes to the skies, and enjoy the revolution on Resistance Radio TV with Chuck Blackman. Please take just a second and hit that red subscribe button to show your support and join the resistance. Enjoy the next few videos, which include the shapeshifting UFOs that I collected throughout the month of June. I have also turned up the volume so that you guys can hear the electronic voice phenomena as it happened. Please remember to subscribe, share, and like this video.